A response to a shoplifting call,
153, I got it. It's going 71 north.
Turns into a dangerous high-speed pursuit.
He just cut across all lanes of traffic, almost crashed into motorcycle.
And ends in tragedy.
Grab the sledgehammer. We're gonna get you help, hang on!
Officers in Grove City, Ohio, were alerted to 2 retail theft suspects believed to have just fled a Dick's Sporting Goods store on Stringtown Road. A short time later, a patrol unit spots a matching vehicle near a Walmart parking lot. When the officer attempts a stop, the driver takes off, clipping the cruiser and narrowly missing a pedestrian.
Our cruiser at Walmart, he's taking off. We're gonna go southbound on Buckeye Parkway.
Moments later, another officer spots it heading south on Hoover Road, driving into oncoming lanes.
He just turned south on Hoover.
Southbound on Hoover.
Is this out of the 30?
She ran for my cruiser as well.
At what speed?
67 and things. I don't think too much cars to people.
He's southbound in the northbound lanes.
146 to 66. Come out, officer, respond to 60.
Okay. He's headed over the bridge over 71. It's a silver hatchback vehicle.
175. They just went across the car. 45. Copy on status.
Officers attempted to close the distance, but couldn't safely intervene due to extreme speed.
Judging by the driving, it's going to meet the pursuit policy, but make sure if we get up to it, we only keep 2 in the actual pursuit.
Copy, 12 and update location. 175, I've lost visual of it. I'll be on 71.
One 153, I got it. It's going 71 north. I'm gonna be in pursuit. Hold the air. Still catching up. Speeds are gonna be in excess of 100 miles an hour. Traffic is moderate. Still catching up. Speeds moderate. Traffic is moderate. My speed's 125.
What is his driving like?
Currently staying in lane. Most excessive speed right now. All right. 153, he just cut across all lanes of traffic, almost crashed into motorcycle. He just cut across, almost crashed into motorcycle. I'm still behind. All right, we're gonna be continuing 71 north.
66, do that 68 now? Confirm, me and Steve. 156, I'm catching up from 156.
All right, 71 north, approaching Frank Road. Traffic moderate, speeds 122 miles an hour. Is 66, ma'am. If the opportunity presents itself, by all present, terminate this pursuit.
What is his driving like right now?
Say again.
How is he driving right now?
He's weaving in and out of traffic at the moment. Speeds are moderate. Correction, traffic's moderate. Speeds are still in excess of 100 miles an hour. Continuing 71, approaching 315, speeds 120 miles per hour, traffic is moderate.
153, keeping you on to know what lane you're in.
Say again, radio.
What lane are you in?
We're getting off on green lawn.
Where you guys at?
Left on green lawn. Driving in oncoming traffic. No traffic in front of them. Speed 70 miles per hour, just ran a red light. Traffic is light.
Which direction on green lawn?
Westbound on green lawn.
The suspect vehicle continues in the wrong lanes, running red lights and heading toward Green Lawn Cemetery.
If he's driving, well, he's parked in the wrong lane, so you can take him out.
We have a crash, have a crash.
The sun blocks the view of the crash. Within moments, officers locate the aftermath of the impact.
That's almost on green lawn at 71.
Driver! Show me your head!
CFD medic.
Hold the air. Go ahead and roll medics. This is going to be a serious crash. No movement in the vehicle. Hey, brother, I'm going to come around to you. Can you hold lethal, please?
Copy.
Are you with me?
Yep, ready?
Hold. You got my lethal?
Yep. Drive, let me see your head!
Watch your muzzle, please.
Yep.
153, I got 2 unresponsive in the vehicle.
Officers immediately transition from pursuit to rescue, working to pry open the doors and render aid until medics arrive.
Can you guys hear me? We're gonna get you help, hang on! We got 2 trapped. Here, let me get through here. Watch out, heel.
Copy.
153, we got 2 trapped in here. I can't get to them. We need fire here quickly.
There now.
Guys, can you hear us?
Huh?
Man, can you hear me?
You want any tools?
Grab me the pry bar. Hey. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Chopper, good work for the officers, and you guys have beautiful clear.
Grab the sledgehammer.
Copy, thanks.
You take sponsor off the cross side.
Copy.
Oh. Hit it. All right. All right. All right. Ma'am. All right, get her out, get her out, get her out. All right. Somebody grab an AED. All right.
Both suspects were later pronounced deceased at the scene. The pursuit unfolded so quickly that officers said they never had the chance to intervene before the crash. In the end, all they could do was fight to save the lives of those who had just risked everything to escape. Every pursuit carries considerable weight, as even a few seconds of poor decision-making can result in severe consequences. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing for more policing activities from across the nation, and help us continue bringing vital incidents from the streets to your screen.